Hey everyone, welcome back to another Lunar Recap. This month, we've got some pretty sleek UI changes that just hit our launcher, a couple quality of life features inside of our Skyblock mod, a brand new way to chat with your friends inside of hosted worlds, and more. So without further ado, let's jump right into our updates for our launcher. To start us off, we've just fully redesigned our settings menu inside of our launcher. This brand new update should make it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for and is a lot more pleasing to the eyes. This update also comes with a revamped navigation bar near the top of your launcher, which will now contain some of the more obscure options that were previously found inside of our old settings menu, as well as your station picker for Lunar FM. Also this month, like we teased in our last recap, we've added support for mod loading through Curseforge. This will be joining our support for mod loading through Modrinth and can be done the same way by either dragging and dropping your favorite downloaded modpack or copy and pasting the project link into your launcher. This update opens the door to tens of thousands of mods being seamlessly accessible through Lunar Client. Speaking of mod loading, we've also just updated our Modpack for Wynncraft to support 1.21.4. This means that you'll be able to enjoy all of the best mods for Wynncraft while playing on the newest version of the game. On top of this, we also fixed a bug with this mod pack that would randomly cause your mod settings to get reset. Not only that, but we've also updated our fabric loader across the launcher to version 0.16.10, which should increase compatibility for newer mods that rely on certain elements from it. Now, moving away from our launcher updates, our Skyblock mod just received 3 new quality of life features. First up, our dungeon map now allows you to replace your player icons with heads, as well as the ability to show relevant score information such as crypts, deaths, mimic, current score, and spirit info. This should make your runs much more enjoyable, allowing you to see all of the necessary score info at a glance and know what you still need to complete for that S+. On top of this, we've also added the ability for you to view the creation date of any item in the game by simply hovering over it. Just enable creation date and lore inside of the Skyblock mod and hover over any item you'd like. And then finally, for our Skyblock mod, we have a pretty sweet update coming soon for our Kudra players. In a near future update, you'll now be able to enable waypoints for all of the floating items in the Kudra boss fights. This includes your supplies, build materials, fuel cans, and pearls. This update will make fighting Kudra a lot quicker and easier to locate what you're looking for. Now, moving away from Skyblock, we've just added simple voice chat support whenever you host a world. To get started, simply head into your Modpacks tab and install the SVC for Lunar Client modpack, which should appear as one of our default modpacks. After that, launch the modpack and host your world just like you normally would. Then, just invite your friends, and you'll immediately be able to start using proximity chat in your world as long as they're also using the mod. This makes it super easy to set up a voice chat oriented SMP with your friends. Next up, we've just added support for the combat module on versions with newer styled combat inside of our developer API. This means that any server is able to use the 1.8 style combat and have a nearly identical experience while still getting all of the awesome updates that this game has had over the past 11 years. Some popular servers have already taken advantage of this, such as Mindman Club, where you can fight just like you do on 1.8 while playing on a newer version of the game. So, if you're a server owner or developer interested in adding our developer API onto your own server, just head over to lunarclient.dev to download Apollo and join our developer Discord for more information about how to implement it into your server. And then to wrap up our monthly updates, we've just added the ability to hide other players' cosmetics. So if someone is wearing some devious cosmetics, you're able to change your cosmetic render mode to only my cosmetics or only friends. Speaking of cosmetics though, we have to show off all of our cosmetics that we released over the past month. Not only did we feature our Valentine's collection, which included 15 cloaks, 10 pets, 5 auras, 3 wings, 4 suits, and 5 bodywear, but we also released our new peg leg cosmetics as well as the brand new sun hat. Anyways, that about does it for all of our updates over the past month on Lunar Client. Thanks for tuning into this month's Lunar Recap, and we'll see you all next month for some even bigger updates.